Hello, Mr. Beast. I am a big fan of you.
Thank you for your support.
Your content is very crazy. How can I make the content like yours?
Well, the best way to make content that people want to watch is to do things that are interesting or funny. Find things that you're interested in and see if you can make videos about it that people will enjoy watching.
What is the key of your success?
I really just started making videos for fun and I think people liked them because they were different than what was on other channels. I think it's important to be yourself and do what you think is fun, and the rest will follow.
Oh, how can I contact with you?
You can contact me through my email address, which is mrbeastofficial@gmail.com. I also have social media accounts that you can follow to stay up to date with what I'm doing.
I want to be successful like you. Please tell me some strategies for the success.
There really is no one recipe for success, as it's different for everyone. However, I think it's important to find your passion and do what you love. Also, be yourself and don't try to be someone you're not. Lastly, always be putting out content, whether it's a video, blog post, or something else, as it's important to stay relevant and keep your audience engaged.
What software are you using for thumbnail making?
I use Photoshop to make my thumbnails.
Which is the best software for video editing?
I use Final Cut Pro to edit my videos.
What is your favorite food?
I really like all kinds of food, but my favorites would have to be Italian food and burgers.
What are your plans for your future?
I don't really have any specific goals for my future. I just want to continue making content that people will enjoy watching.
Which game do you mostly play?
I don't really play any specific games. I just like to play video games in my spare time.
What is your annual monthly income?
I really don't disclose that information, as it's personal.
What is the message for our viewers from you?
I think it's great that MrBeast is always pushing boundaries and coming up with new and exciting stunts to keep his audience entertained. I think aspiring creators can learn a lot from him about keeping people engaged and coming back for more.
Bye bye, sir.
It was great to come here and talk to all of you about MrBeast. I think he is a great role model for aspiring content creators, and I hope you all enjoy his videos as much as I do.
Bye bye, sir.
Thanks for coming, everyone.